an energetic protocol to assist you in consciously reweaving your vibrational fabric in an empowering way. If you have been feeling either an anger, frustration, irritation, or a weariness or despair, explore the idea that you're trying to use those emotions to release old vibrational ways of being, old patterns, old programs, old habits, old grids that have been keeping you entangled, trapped, not free, not empowered. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. And we invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Divis higher self, in teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference the dimension where you are holding your vibrational fabric, your grids that impact how you navigate here in this world. Just take a moment to imagine some energetic aspect of you, your body, your teams, referencing that other dimension where you've got your grids, where you've got your fabric. And there might be a part of you that's very sensitive to smell or color, light, texture. Take a minute to have you, soul rider, feel into your grids. Your body feels into its grids, your team feels into their grids. And you're feeling for any outdated grids that feel stale, heavy, tight, not dynamic, light, expansive, or empowering. Just hold space, nice and slow, inviting some energetic aspect of you, soul rider, your body and teams, to reference all of your grids for everything in your life that impacts every single aspect of your life here. And as you, soul rider, and your body and your teams reference all of these grids, invite your higher self, body, Divis higher self, and teams to use whatever emotion or energy. It might be anger, frustration, irritation, grief, sadness, despair, hopelessness, fatigue. Use that emotion to gently dissolve all discordant grids, fabric that you have outgrown. You might even have grids that hold a vibration of fear. Use your emotions to dissolve it consciously in a dimension where you can. Spinning your fields perhaps in a counterclockwise direction for you, soul rider, for your body and your teams. Feel into the idea that you get to get a whole new vibrational fabric wardrobe that sustains you, supports you. But first, you have to use the emotions to clean out the old. And if that feels a little scary, crank up the courage. Okay, it's scary to let go of the old. Yeah, it is. Crank up your courage. Some energetic aspect of you has courage, otherwise you wouldn't be here. In this session or on planet Earth, you've got courage. Use it to gently let go of all of the old. The light coming onto the planet is actually assisting in the dissolving of all discordant grids. But when we just rely on the light, instead of being conscious about it, it takes a lot longer and it can be slow and maybe a little uncomfortable. So keep holding space for some energetic aspect of you, soul rider, your body and your teams, to keep cleaning out the old fabric out of the fields. It's like you're clearing out all of the old clothes out of the closet. And as it clears out of your fields, using the emotions to dissolve those grids, those lines, those blueprints, those templates that are discordant, that you've outgrown. Invite your higher self, body, Divis higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to use the appropriate emotions, energy, vibrations, threads, color, light, energetic codes to weave a different vibrational fabric that has the capacity to match your passion. You soul rider, match your soul rider passion mastery. Your body deva weaves a vibrational fabric that matches its passion and mastery. And we don't have to consciously know what our passion and mastery is. Some part of us energetically knows. Then take a moment again to invite some energetic aspect of you, some energetic aspect of your body deva and teams, to spin the fields in a clockwise direction now, weaving a vibrational fabric around you that is in alignment with your passion and your mastery. Taking a deep breath in, keep weaving that vibrational fabric. Bringing in appropriate sounds, color, light, energetic codes that's in alignment with your wisdom, your mastery, that's galactic and of this world. And those grids then support healthy behavior, healthy consciousness, and empowered, connected consciousness. New fabric around you that inspires you, supports you, again, that's in alignment with your passion and your mastery. And then taking a deep breath in, holding your energy and awareness in your line, holding space for that other aspect of you in another dimension for you, your body, and your teams to be weaving this new vibrational fabric over the next few weeks. And whenever we do these energetic processes, we always want to bring in a simple one-liner that you can come to once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, just to remind yourself of the energetic process that you're in. And that one-liner is, some part of me is releasing discordant fabric grids and weaving harmonic, empowered fabric grids. Some part of me, my body and teams, are dissolving discordant fabric grids and are weaving harmonic, empowered fabric grids. And then when you're consciously doing that, you don't have to conjure big emotions to do it. You do it in 30 seconds or less, and it's done. It's complete. And then balance and stabilize, update your grids, all your reference points, and let your body pulse you appropriately, because your body's going to feel that new grid. It's like, oh, we clean up the house. We let go of all of the stuff because our grid's shifted. Or we react and respond differently because our grid's shifted. So anytime you have a reaction or an emotion, ponder, okay, what's that? Why is that there? And how could I actually just shift my grids in an empowering way? And then again, we react and respond differently. Oh, taking a deep breath in, letting that first piece integrate.